Tangle slow, huh?
Want to find a product or learn about our buying options? Get inspired or plan your social arrangement on your own. Our Ikea co-workers are always happy to help unless you prefer to do it yourself. Use our self-service
Climb up now while I'm up at top.
create a shopping list and send it to your phone. You can even create an order for picking up later. Easy.
Hey, you old man!
Snack for your journey home. Veggie dog. Self-service is no good for us because I've got cash. Now which one's going self-service. But there's not a self-service. I've got one, it's not. No, I think. Is there any till I can pay cash with?
Just give me a minute.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey,
Cheryl, did you just jump on your ticket?
Come back, Jack.
Yes, till 3, love.
Okay. Without that. Yeah.
Paying cash? Yeah. Is it debit, Cheryl?
So, there's going to be 3 different things to pay for. So, yeah, that's it, yeah, that's right. It's just a group we've come with, they're going to play golf. Left us here going, oh, can you get all them through? And they all giving me money, and I'm thinking, yeah, all right then.
They've gone and left you to it.
Yeah, yeah. They always leave us, don't they, Jake? Yeah.
You got a little bag, love?
No, it won't be all right.
Alright.
Yeah.
So your first one's 250.
That's that one.
£2.50 change in your receipt.
Lovely. Fine, that's easy. Simon's. Simon's milk frother.
And another receipt.
Right, and then this one I'll be paying on a card for this one.
Yeah, that's fine. And that's £2, please. So just there, my love. Alright. Right again.
That's lovely, thank you.
Help me make a
Thank you very much.
Come through then, Jack, and I'll stick all these in back.
Alright, love, we'll see you later.
Thank you.
Bye.
The sort of kid. There we go. You want hot dog? I'll buy you. You want one?
Eh?
Come I know what you do. So. What do you do? That's right. There we go. Where are they? Oh, hot dog. We don't want plant hot dog. That one, isn't it? That's the one. No, we don't want that. Don't want that. Oh, there you go. Two of them.
Beep. Beep.
Yeah.
Beep. Oh, oh, beep. Beep. Beep.
See, check out. Finish and pay.
Beep.
Big. I've got a loyalty card. Let's do that.
Wow.
There we go. No, stop trying to tempt me.
Oh.
Insert card. I'm not inserting it, you can job it. There you go.
Ah.
Sandra, paid yet? Paid yet? Come here.
So, up this way then, Jack. You want any ketchup on or out? No? Just as is? Oh, I think.
So yes, when you pick the item up,
I like mustard ham.
Mm. Oh.
Where's that gone?
Mm.